So I'm going to move my yarn to the inside. And I'm going to give that one little stitch just to close up the gap. And then I've got another one on the other side. And if you've used your tail, you won't have anything here. So I'm going to move my yarn across, just like weaving in an end, to get back to the other side to tighten up that hole. So we're just moving our yarn to the other spot. And we're going to give that spot one stitch as well, just to close it up. And then you're going to weave in your end as you usually would. And got a nice little underarm.